Hi, my name is Charlie, and this is Ms. Zalzal, and today she's going to play a Sonatina by Kabalevsky, Opus 27, number 18.
Yeah, correct. And why I'm playing, Charlie?
It's because I kind of forgot, and I kind of wanted you to play the video for me.
Why? Why you forgot and why I'm playing for you? Because you're learning it, right?
Yeah.
You're learning this piece. Okay. Actually ending without retardant. I don't know why I did this. I'm gonna replay from here. Charlie disappeared. He's gone.
Sorry for the jump scare.
Kabalevsky Dmitry.